Hello, learners! I have a question. Which of these water vehicles do you know? Let's learn them.
A ship is a large water vehicle used to carry people or goods across the sea or ocean. A sailboat is a small boat that moves using the wind and sails. A canoe is a lightweight and narrow boat that you move using a paddle. A yacht is a large, comfortable boat used for travel or fun. A ferry is a boat or ship that carries people, cars, or goods across water. A jet ski is a small, fast water vehicle that you ride like a motorbike. A hovercraft is a vehicle that floats above water using air. A lifeboat is a small, strong boat used to save people in emergencies. A warship is a Navy ship used for defense or battle. A submarine is a special water vehicle that can travel underwater.
Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and share for more fun English learning content. See you in the next video.